Okay, ngayon naman mag-head cleaning tayo. After natin mag-nozzle check at nakita natin merong gap yung lines dyan, execute tayo ng head cleaning. So pupunta lang tayo dito sa menu pa rin, menu. Ayan, menu and then up arrow. Ayan, maintenance, press OK. Tapos baba tayo, nozzle check yung number 1. Number 2, head cleaning. Sa number 3, head alignment. So dito tayo sa head cleaning and then press start. Ayan, make sure lang enable yung lever nung transmute mode. Kasi kung naka-close yan, hindi mag-flow yung ink. Okay, so cleaning siya. And then after mag-head cleaning, mag-execute tayo ng nozzle check. So ganun lang para ma-verify natin kung nag-improve yung quality ng nozzle check from after ng head cleaning. Okay, so that's it.